This time on metal detecting and fishing with Romy. You know where we're at. You know what we're doing. We're out here for the Sheephead competition, week number 3. Yeah. We got a medium load today. It's probably about 25 of us out here. And we're getting ready to take off now. And you know the setup. I like to start off and finish this way. I just fish this pretty much all day. Unless I can't get no sheephead and the whitefish are biting. We're gonna be fishing the reverse chopper loop. I'll show you guys more later. There's my sinker. Got a long leader coming up here. Anyways, we'll show you that in a little bit. But we're about to take off. Stay tuned. Alright, we're off. We're heading to the spot. It won't be long. We'll probably be there in 20 minutes. Once we leave the harbor, it's about a mile and a half out of the harbor. So we'll be fishing in no time, probably around sunup. It'll be beautiful fishing. Stay tuned. It's a beautiful morning. Yeah. Yes, it is. It's a beautiful morning. Just leaving the harbor. You don't like lighthouses? You suck. Seahorses forever. You guys gotta look up drinking out of cups. That shit's hilarious. My favorite lighthouse. Passing out of the harbor now. We'll be fishing anytime. Alright, we just got here. Look at that beautiful sunrise. Beautiful.
Run out around the boat now. Give yourself some elbow room. Try to strip pieces good. Don't fall it up on your hook. Your hook going in. Got that shrimp. Like you said, just use a little chunk of shrimp there. But let's give it a try. Just keep an eye on lines. Come back on the anchor. Your line side, go to the bow. Just stop for a second here. We get all straightened out. So take us.
And I'm just all of a sudden I'll start thinking.
All right, let's drop them. Let's get on them. All right, let's check my bait here. All right, got a tiny piece, but let's put a little bit more on there. That's just barely hanging on the hook. And this is the rig. Reverse chopper loop, long leader, small. Shoot, I think this is probably a size number 4 or 6. Mosquito offset, thin wire hook. Just a couple little pieces of shrimp like that. Send her down.
Got one short. On the other side? Yeah.
All right, we'll bring you in when we get one. Nicky boy got one.
Get him, Nick. He's on, doggy.
Oh, he's swimming up. He's still there. Got a whitey. Little whitefish. All right, Nick's on the board. Think I got a whitefish. Or a real small sheephead. Let's see. Whitefish. And he swallowed it. Here's the man, the myth, the legend B. I love that guy.
Just an all-around good guy.
That's right. Mama Jamma got another one.
He's a whitey.
Phelpsy just got one. He just got a whitey though. I think Mama's got a whitey. Yep. She on the whiteys. Hold him up, Mama Jamma. All right, good job. Oh, Leon's on. I think I got a whitefish. I don't know. Yeah, it's a whitefish. Little tiny one. Look at that winner. Oh, we got a sand bass. Hey, hold him up, Leon. Nice fish, buddy. That sure beats me up mine.
Yeah, a little bit.
Got a whitefish, I think. But Rick, hold up your fish, Rick. Oh, I got a targeted species. Too small though. Hold yours up, Rick. Hold him up. Yeah, that might keep. That one definitely doesn't keep. Oh, he's still on.
Oh, came on.
Oh, God. Farmer John. Dump truck. Oh, he had a good one. Oh. Yeah, Rick. Nice one. I think it's a whitefish now. It bit really hard. Felt like a sheephead. Oh, it is a little sheep. Little one. Sweet. All right. She can go home. Thank you, sweetie. You bit like a champ, but you're just too small. All right, I'm getting bit at the same time. My buddy Anthony's on one. He looks like he's got targeted. Oh, yeah, not a targeted species, but they'll still eat good. Looks like we got a quality one over here. Same time I'm getting bit too, so I'm hoping I can get me one and have a double upper.
Right, the color, need a black stripe on them.
Here we go. That one keeps. Nice. Good job, Anthony. I think I got a whitey. Bit like a freight train, but just a little whitey. That whitey got some fighty, I tell you what. All right, somebody's got to get him. Targeted species, just a little girly though.
Swallowed it.
She's a swallower. Sheephead. Got a biter, but it's just a little one. No sheephead sure bite hard. Yep. Oh, her butt just popped when she came up. Did you hear that? She farted. She said, "Pop." What the hell was that? I'm going left and right. This one's on the left. There's one on the right.
Oh, I see it.
Here we go. There's a good one.
You're on me.
That one will keep.
Yeah, the right color. Yeah.
Got a good male.
1 pounder.
Is that a male? Oh,
Yep.
yeah,
You got a
good
male. He's got a nice.
That's a nice male.
All right. Nice fish. All right. That'll go in the bag.
She's right behind. I'm gonna let him do it. Yeah.
That's a nice.
All right, while we're moving, and I can show you, this is the sheephead method. Reverse dropper loop. Got a dropper loop up top, and I got about a, I don't know, 2-foot leader. And I'm using the size number 4 offset thin wire mosquito hook with a little piece of shrimp. It's a little bigger than I would normally use for these things, but we're really trying to get the big ones, so I'm trying to just steer away from the small ones. I caught a lot of small ones today. I got my limit, but if I get another one, I'll give a smaller one away to somebody else and keep the bigger one. So that's the setup. Simple as that. 20-pound test. I usually fish about 15, but we're trying to get the big ones. Steve's on a good one. All right.
Net. He calls for the net.
Hold him over here, B. Let me see you, Steve. All right. Nice one, brother. Sweet. That's probably the best one of the day right there. Anthony's on another one.
Thank you. I'll have to down there eating a burger and catch it.
We got 3 each though, but I get bonus points because I got the target.
Because you got targeted speed. Yes, sir. I already said.
Big goat. There we go. There's a good one, Anthony. All right. Turn around, B.
Sorry, I had to catch that fish.
Nice one. Yeah. Good quality. Quality sheephead. At least go in the bag anyways. It's not gonna get me in any contest, but
You're not in the contest?
I think this will go in my bag. Here we go. It's a decent one. It's a decent girl. Just turning into a boy.
There you go, Romy.
All right.
Good gaff technique.
That'll eat.
All right.
Thanks, P. All right, got another big one aboard. That's a contender right there. That might be in the mix. Let's see. Nope.
Oh, no, but
Nope. All right, we're calling Leon fireman today, man. He's just burning them.
Yes, he is.
There's a good one. I see it. Nice one, Leon. All right.
Good job, buddy.
Nice. I'm getting buried now, man. All right. All right, Rick just got a good one.
I gotta get a picture.
Hey, right on, Rick.
Picture, Rick.
Good job, buddy.
Yeah, heck yeah, that is. Why is your whitefish black and red?
That's a weird looking whitefish, Rick.
Okay, here. I got you. Got it? Yes, I got you. Sorry, Leon.
Anyways, yeah, good job, buddy.
It ain't as big as I thought it was.
Hey, that's still a great sheephead right there. It's not that big, it's not competition, but it'll go in my bag. Yeah, and I'm crossed with a line, a couple of lines.
That's why it's nothing bigger.
Yep.
That was that good. Somebody's got to feel it. I feel line. Ooh, there you go, Rum.
Drop him in the bag, another keeper.
Yeah.
Anthony is on fire today too. Him and Leon are just back to back, kicking the sheephead's ass.
Here's the man.
I got 2 in the bag. They're just not contest worthy. And I caught quite a few shorts, but Anthony seems to just be getting the big ones, man.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Yep, that's a good one. Oh, what is that? A gigantic sculpin. Dang.
Why not?
That's a big sculpin right there.
Yeah, it is.
Watch out, Mama.
It really fits in the
Yeah.
net.
Nice sculpt. Oh, is a cabezon? Yeah.
Oh,
Cool. That's cool.
Volleyball, get him. Get out of there.
Got a good one over here.
Get it, Larry.
That initial get him out of the rocks thing.
Yeah. All right.
I think I was going to get him out there for a minute. That's a good one.
Yeah, that'll keep. That's a real good one. All right. Here we go.
There you
Some quality sheeps on this spot.
Nice. Look at those peepers.
He's flipping them. All right.
Need a picture?
Nice.
Need a picture.
Good one.
Hold him up, brother. There we go. Nice job, brother. Hell yeah.
That's right, Leon. You get him, boy.
Leon's just smashing them today.
Right, dude.
He came here to put his name on the list. All right.
Let me show you how to
Leon. You're on fire, brother. Nice. All right, over here, Leon. Help her out, B. Yeah.
Yeah, you go ahead and do this.
There you go. They got hard ass lips. They're hard to get those hooks out.
I don't want the baby.
Got a quality sheep here.
Nice, baby doll.
Is it a sheephead, Romy?
Yeah, it's a sheephead.
Oh, see? He did get my bait.
Where's Todd? We need the gaff.
Like the ABC Sport. It's a big old man.
Oh my God. Holy shit.
Look at the size of that.
Oh my God.
That is a big whitefish.
That thing is massive. Holy cow. That might even win the jackpot today.
Hell yeah.
Holy cow.
That'd be good.
Looks like we got a sheepy over here, maybe.
Oh, man.
All right.
Nice.
Yeah, he's pulling.
Oh, Larry's getting.
He's got some pull. There we go.
God.
Nice one.
Come net this one.
Yeah. He's hooked good.
It's a perfect hook.
He's got a great hook set in the lip.
Oh, Anthony.
That better get on the board right there. That's a sheephead.
I think Anthony's still got a bigger one.
3.5 maybe.
Nah, I think Anthony's still bigger.
I definitely want a picture of that, Larry. Hold on.
All right, we'll do it.
That is a good size.
And back in the
What
day.
the fuck?
Good job.
Oh, hilarious.
Got it. He caught a starfish.
Oh, the-
Yeah, he got a star.
Feels like a better one. Nah. That'll keep.
Yep.
Sweet. Oh, look what he's coughing up.
What is it?
He's been eating some clams or something down there. Yeah, thank you, brother.
I got you right now, bro.
Thank you, B.
Another keeper sheephead.
No jackpots, but I eat them.
Hell yeah.
Mama Jamma's probably got a whitefish. Let's see.
I know, I couldn't get it. It's just tiny.
Still feel like it's on there?
Yes.
Little sheephead.
Targeted sheepy.
Good job, Mom. Hold him up.
The matches.
All right.
I'm done with your shit.
Anthony's got a big one. I never seen Anthony make that face.
That's the white man upper lip bite.
Oh, that's when you know it's a good fish. Anthony's even biting his lip to shut up.
That's a nicer fish. Yeah, look at that. You can tell because my knees are bent. I know what else to say. We're not catching shit.
Oh, there's a quality one. Quality fish right there. Hold him up, Anthony. Yeah. Nice fish, brother. Rah.
No. We're heading down like this.
I think I got another sheephead.
She did that to Joe.
Little one though.
He was there, and he's like, hike me, and I go,
She can go free.
said the same thing, hike me, and I go, she don't care, as long as you don't care.
All right, it's burger time. Mom's got her burger. Is it a good burger, Mama?
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna tear into this Victory burger. Best broke burgers around. You gotta get aboard the Victory and get a burger. Me and Anthony are doubled up. We said sometimes the last spot is the one.
It ain't a good one, but I'll take it.
Yeah, I don't think mine's keepable either, but might be. Let's see. Oh, the sculpin. Yeah, that's keepable. Hey. Oh, I'm getting bit at the same time. Oh, swing and a miss. Phelps is on. Get him, buddy. I gotta shout really loud so this music doesn't screw up my YouTube video. Ah! Get him! There's the sheep. There he is. Yeah! I just gave him a hook like less than 5 minutes ago, and the shrimp did it. Hold him up, Phelps. Yeah. Let me take your picture so I can send it to you. All right, Andy's got one.
Take hands, can fish.
The cook came out of the kitchen.
And he knew it.
Oh.
Deep color.
Oh, you can't do that for a white fish. Oh. That's funny. Oh, as the bell rang, I just got a fish and the engine started up. Somebody will eat that one probably. Let's see if that one's illegal. There's my bag of fish. Mine and Mom's. Yeah, I'll take that. Thank you, big dog.
Filleting them or what?
Yeah, filleting them. Thank you. We got a couple sheeps. We got a couple sculpins, a couple whites. A big white over there. That was a good one. Nah, I don't want the heads or bodies. Just fillets. Yeah, no bones. Thank you, boys. Well, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. We had a lot of fun out here fishing. You guys gotta come out here and join us on the Victory. Try this sheephead competition. It's a lot of fun. The ticket gets you into the competition. All you gotta do is get aboard. Bring some shrimp, small hooks, 6-ounce sinkers. Come on out and join us.